So welcome back to Crack Testing Interview. In this video, we are going to cover one of the important interview questions. That is difference. What is the difference between driver dot find element and web element dot find element in Selenium? Right. Let us understand this with a small example. So driver dot find element. First, we'll take a driver dot find element. So what is the use of driver dot find element? Let me open my Google page. So in this page, you can able to see this web page many elements are there, right? Button is a element, text box is the element, link is the element, image is the element, text box is the element. So all the element on the web page is called web element. So I want to find one single element using any locator, right? From this page. So I want to search one element from this page. So that is what I just wanted to use driver.find element. Right. So if I want to enter the text over here, I can go to find the element first. So for that, if I want to find the element, need to give locator to the WebDriver. So then only it is going to find the particular element. So I can use any locator from here. Then I can use name, Q as well. Right. So I just open my Eclipse. Here I already initiate the driver. Here I just wanted to driver dot find element, driver dot first navigate to the URL, right? First will be navigate to the URL. Then we'll be finding the element, driver dot find element by dot, we have a name equal to Q. So using this locator, the element is going to find, right, from the page. So driver means it's going to find the entire page. So the particular element it is going to search entire page is called driver.find element. Right. So if I give the driver.find element, the web driver is going to search all over the page. The entire page it is going to search which the particular located any element is there or not. Then it is going to perform some action. Right. So what is web element dot find element? Right. Now we know that we have a driver dot find element finding the locator, and we can add send keys. We can give some any keys over there. Suppose I can give EST time now. Right. Then we can click enter over here. So enter plus keys dot enter. If I give the enter, what happen? It is going navigate to the URL and it is going to search the particular element with the locator name equal to Q. Then it is going to enter the some keyword over there and click on a enter button as well. So this is what it is going to do. So the driver dot find element is used for it is going to search the particular in the overall entire page. Right. That is what these things will do. I'll run this. It is opening the Google and it is entering the keyword. I mean, finding the element and entering the keyword, whatever we have given over there. Right now, we'll see what is that web element dot find element. Right. So let me open one more page. So this one. Here we have, daily, weekly, monthly, and also we have a daily, weekly, monthly is there. Right. If suppose if I am trying to, if I want to, my scenario will be if I want to click the weekly button over here, right? So the weekly link I just wanted to click. Right. So I want to click the element is weekly, right? The weekly link. But if I try to locate the element, what happened? There is no, see, there is no name, ID, and all. We can go with the XPath. But sometimes, it is a dynamic XPath. We can't say that here in this element, this link XPath and this link XPath may same, right? So if suppose if it is there, then how can I search the particular element in the entire page? If I go with the driver dot find element and if I go with the link text equal to weekly, then what happened, we can able to see the element, with the, we are not able to find the unique element. So it will be showing the result as two element, which is the same locator. So if suppose if it is like that, then what I will do? So what we have to do is, first we need to find this particular block of element, right? So how to do that? First I will be go and search, see this one. This is one block of element. So if you search, this is one block of element, right? Then here this is one block of element. Now instead of going for, if I want to find the particular element, so instead of going to search in the entire page, so if I am saying that to the WebDriver, go and search in the particular block, particular loser block or this gainer block. So if I'm saying that, so the WebDriver will go to the gainer block and it is going to search the option whatever I want. If I want to click weekly, it is going to find the particular element, then it is going to perform the action. Right. So for that, what we need to do, if I go with that, I will copy the X path, right? I will go over here. So driver.find element by .x path, right? So the X path I will be giving over here. So before that, I just wanted to, I'll remove this, right? So instead of that, I can give the URL driver.get, then I can give the URL like this. So after entering to the URL, then what I need to do, I just wanted to find the element with the this locator. This will be, entire block of gainers, right? Entire block of gainers. So what I'll do, I just store this, this element in one of the web element. Web element. So we can say gainers, right? Here the gainer equal to, see here this is the gainers, right? The gainers equal to gainer block. Same thing, you can give any name. I'm giving a variable as a gainers block. So I'm just finding the gainer block first. Now I store it in a gainer. Now what I am saying to the WebDriver, go and search my element in the particular block only. Gainers dot find element, right? Then I need to find the particular element, with the link text or something, with the, find element by dot link text. So I can give a link text. Link text will be, something like this. Dot click. Right. So now what happened? It is going to find the particular element. First, it is going to find the entire block. Right. Then what we are saying that to the WebDriver, it go and search the particular element which is the weekly in the particular block. I don't want to search in the entire page. Right. So that is what web element. This is a web element, right? So web element dot find element. So this is what the different, driver dot find element, it is going to search entire page. If you go with the web element dot find element, it is going to find the particular element within the block only, within the particular element only. Right. Now let me run this. It is going to click on the weekly. See, it is clicking on the weekly. So it's not searching, in the entire page. It's just searching in the particular block of code only. Right. So I hope this will help you. Thank you.